BendPak mobile column lifts are the logical solution for heavy-duty lifting application. Whether your business tailors to buses, garbage trucks, military vehicles, semis, or other heavy-duty vehicles, BendPak's PCL 18 series offers a safe, sophisticated, dependable investment. Product development, assembly, testing, and careful packaging of all PCL 18B lifts is performed at our multiplex manufacturing facility in Santa Paula, California. Available in sets of 2, 4, 6, or even 8 with a combined lifting capacity of up to 144,000 pounds. Each 18,000 pound capacity column features independent, fully controllable consoles for multi-operational functions. Need more capacity? Just add more columns. With the push of a single button on any column, all connected lifts rise simultaneously, providing an even, equalized elevation for all heavy-duty vehicle types. Simple operating controls permit single, pair, or team operation. Selecting function settings is fast, convenient, and easy. Safety is paramount in servicing super heavy-duty vehicles, which is why every BendPak mobile column lift is third-party tested, gold label certified to meet ANSI, ALI, and OSHA safety requirements. Independent safety locks and automatic parking ensure safe operation. Convenient emergency shutoff switches on each column quickly cut the power if an unsafe condition is detected by the operator. Systematic dual-speed lowering modes are featured on the control panel. The Rabbit setting permits fast descent times and increased productivity, while the Turtle setting offers a slower, gentler descent that's perfect for placement onto BendPak's MLS 18 support stand. Proven low-pressure, direct-drive hydraulics minimize maintenance expenses and improve the longevity of the lift. Effective low-mounted power units lower the center of gravity, making the columns easier to move and less likely to topple as opposed to screw drive systems with heavy overhead motors and drive systems. The PCL 18 features an ergonomic steering control with built-in hydraulic jack, which elevate the column in seconds, reducing operator fatigue and downtime. It also features a 180-degree handle, which provide easy maneuverability even in the most compact areas. 6-inch diameter push-ride front wheels feature an active leaf spring suspension, which is designed to provide maximum clearance over uneven surfaces, such as thresholds, expansion seams, or other floor irregularities. Easy-to-use adjustable carriages allow the use of this lift on a variety of different wheel sizes without specialty adapters. Simply pull the pin, move the carriage to the desired position, put the locking pin in place, and you're good to go. Intelligent cabling guarantees column connectivity and eliminates lost signals or system reboots. Open loop configuration means no cables are ever driven over, mitigating cable damage. This also provides vehicle accessibility at the desired points of entry and exit. Just to put it simply, a set of PCL 18 mobile column lifts will improve your shop efficiency and let you service more heavy-duty type vehicles than ever before.